we're here at OFC 2026 at the end. Last session, base session, wonderful event. And I have still three of our speakers here. We have Andrew Bender, Frank Effenberger, and Matt Schmitt from CableLabs. I'd like to hear what you guys think about the OFC. I have seen a lot of AI here. What does it mean for us here in the access space? Does it really change the world? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, Bernd, so a good question. Any presentation at any session at OFC this year would be remiss if we excluded AI. So we did not exclude AI from the base session here at OFC, and certainly a vibrant topic of discussion. For our part, we were also talking about what happens in the AI factories. The data centers now that are providing AI technology are becoming a venue for the use of optical access inside the data center to help make the transition of the last copper connections, copper technology into fiber. But really the role of the broadband network, of course, is to be the on-ramp for end users, intelligence, access, demand that drives the value that comes from those AI data centers. So many places that we see optical access technology having a role in an AI-driven future, an AI supercycle.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you asked, is AI going to change the world? I think it already has, right? Obviously, it's made huge impacts, and we have to try to anticipate where it's going to go to, but also how it can enable better networks to be made, and also how the networks can make AI better and more responsive, more delivering the kind of services that the users actually want, right? So I think there's a lot of cross-fertilization that can happen there, and it'll move more beyond just sort of computer science into more network engineering, a much more interesting possibilities.
Okay. Yeah, no, I think, Frank, actually in your talk earlier, I like the way you phrased it. There's AI for the network and the network for AI. I think that it's very important to make that distinction. So unfortunately, I see a lot of times we throw out the term AI and it can mean a lot of different things, and putting that context around it is important. But yeah, there's opportunities there where, again, we can look at how we build and design our networks, how that can support AI applications and the different things that are running over it. But at the same time, how can we then use those things to benefit how we build the networks and how we operate the networks? I think operations, testing, automation are all things that are going to be really important and very valuable for the industry. Again, it's all about how do we leverage it as a tool, understand its limitations so we don't over rely on it, but then make sure we get some really good, useful stuff out of it. I think Bernd, you may have been the one that mentioned there's infinite possibilities here. It's amazing that the potential things you do limited, or maybe it was you, Frank, limited by our imagination. What we can do, it's going to be very interesting to see where that all goes.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, guys. Again, great session, and I look forward to AI in 2027, right? With that said, we are now off to Melbourne to our next base event happening on Monday, and I will see some of you over in Australia. Thanks a lot.